How to use PayPal dispute resolution hidden trick. To use this feature, you simply have to open the PayPal application itself and then head to the customer service, or simply open your browser, then search for PayPal support. From here, you can directly contact the PayPal's customer service, and once you're there, all you have to do is simply take a clear photos or screenshots of the Exhibit A and Exhibit B as a proof for your complaint. And you also might want to capture the message history, and once you have sent it to the official PayPal support, a dispute will automatically close after the 20 days if you don't take action. So in your resolution center settings, you can set a customized message that buyers can see before they are allowed to submit a dispute. And this is how you can use this feature. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.